Their schedule?
Well, delivery schedules in what sense? I would think one of the things when we start to have a new customer is we say basic things like, are you closed any day? And they might be a mom and pop restaurant and they close on Mondays. They don't get much business and that's the day all the employees have off. They work the weekends because it's very busy. And then we could say, what are your preferred delivery times? Please give us a minimum of 4-hour window. Or you can give me multiple windows. I would prefer to have deliveries between 10 a.m. and noon or between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. Right? So we know those things. What other things do we need to know?
Could be the facilities of the place.
What?
The facilities of the place, where to park the bus.
Yeah, where do you want us to deliver to? It could be that there might be a little separate building that is their storehouse. It's in the back, and it's actually got a different address than the address of the hotel. So it's local circumstances, absolutely. How about obvious things? I really want to give a phone number for a contact there at each of the customers for the driver to have on that day. So if there's something coming, the driver can call them and say, I'm stuck over here. You said between 10 and 12. It looks like I'm not going to get there, but I'll get there between 2 and 5. Just to let them know. Right? I would like to teach the drivers to say things like, call them up and say, you're my next delivery. I should be there in 15 to 20 minutes. Just to let them, so they have somebody there who can look at it, can sign off for it or whatever they have to do for the delivery.